Coming back to keeping with the fiscal consolidation roadmap, the Modi government has been moving very credibly in this fiscal consolidation path, and especially this finance minister for the last 6 budgets. Do you think the country has built up a strong case for global rating agencies to revisit its lowest investment grade rating?
Well, I think there is discussion going on between the government and these global rating agencies. And on all the parameters of Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act, you will notice that one parameter which the global rating agencies will look at very closely is the overall public debt. Now, the public debt has come down a little bit. In this budget, it is coming down to 52%. But if you take the entire thing, it is coming down to 56% of GDP for the central government. Now, I think the rating agency will also look at those parameters, because under own FRBM Act, the central government's debt to GDP should come down to 40%. So those are the issues that the rating agency will also look at. And now that the government will go and access the global bond market also from June onwards, one has to see how rating agencies look at these various parameters.
Interesting that you mentioned the whole thing on economy. The finance minister also promised to come out with a white paper on the economy, which she says they'll compare decadal state of the economy after 2014 and pre-2014. Do you see this as an exercise in politicking, given that invariably this would be the comparisons of the Modi government vis-a-vis the 10 years of the UPA government?
I think this government wants to create its own legacy and to build and compare its own performance on economic management front with what the previous government, the UPA, did for 10 years, is something that this government wants to establish. And as you rightly pointed out, this is going to be an exercise with a political intent coming before the elections. And a white paper as a document will probably give it a little more relevance, and people will start talking about it. So the government's political intent is quite obvious here.
Okay.